God, I made such a mess with my Wiggles this morning. No, I have the hiccups. No, not again. I hate the hiccups. No. Oh my God, I need to figure out a way to get rid of them this time. Jumping down the stairs didn't really help. Maybe these stairs. A drink of water. Just gotta fill up my cup. Just gonna put it on the... Oops. Oh, come on. Just a little bit more. And done. Oh, we're gonna need to try something else. I think I'm gonna look it up on the internet. Okay, I just looked it up. Looks like it says, hold your breath and swallow 3 times. Ah, that just messed me up. Oh, that was so hard. I'm just gonna try something else. Does that say breathe into a paper bag? Oh my God, we don't have any paper bags. What's the next one? Drink a glass of water quickly. We already tried, but I made a mess. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. Pour on your tongue and gargle with water. Well, I guess I'll never get rid of my hiccups.